Ionic Systems supply a range of Vortex gutter clearing machines. Here we have the Premium Vortex, which can reach up to 40 feet, utilising a wet and dry vacuum and features a powerful 3,600 watt triple motor. This unit is fantastic for making light work of emptying industrial and domestic gutters with even heavy build-up. In this video, we're going to show you the features and benefits of this model, the Premium Vortex. The system consists of slot-together 50mm rigid carbon fibre poles. A unique feature of these poles is the vacuum release system, which simply twists to release grass tufts and dirt from the end of your suction tool without the need to lower the pole. These poles attach to a flexi pickup hose. The pole kit consists of a daily end tool and a couple of steel dirt breakers in different sizes for breaking up silt and tufts of grass to manageable sizes before they're sucked out of the gutter. The kit also comes with a crevice and a tapered end tool for getting into gutters with overhanging tiles or boxed corners. The tubes and all of these tools fit neatly into a specially designed carry bag. With the Vortex range, there's also the option of an inspection camera system to view the gutters before and after the jobs. Let's see the Premium Vortex in action. Check out ionicsystems.com for further details of the Vortex range, and don't forget, we also provide products for cleaning gutters, such as the constant flow foaming system, also available on our website. Thanks for watching.